Hello, welcome. Today's topic is Ocuprime, and we have prepared a complete review about this product with the most important information you need. And the question is, does it pay off?
Ocuprime is a dietary supplement composed of vitamins, minerals and herbs to maintain eye health, with its capsules that are a patented blend of 24 natural ingredients including vitamins, minerals and herbs.
The supplement Ocuprime was designed to restore vision loss due to increased pollution and exposure to harmful light, helping to protect your vision from these impurities that lead to various vision problems such as blindness, glaucoma and cataract. This eye support supplement helps protect the eye lens from oxidative damage with the help of antioxidants contained in its capsules. Ocuprime helps its customers cure vision-related diseases that they are not able to reduce or eliminate with the help of medicines available on the market. The presence of eye bright helps protect you from the damage caused by ultraviolet rays that cause conjunctivitis, cancer, etc., and also affects your overall health, according to various surveys. Similarly, other natural antioxidants, such as boldo, help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Zeaxanthin, found in various fruits and vegetables, provides protection from glaucoma and cataract and more. The Ocuprime comes in a bottle with 60 capsules to be consumed during the period of a month, so you should consume 2 capsules a day, one in the morning and one at night.
Ocuprime has 24 powerful ingredients that provide several health benefits. And its main benefit is to treat eye diseases with their natural ingredients. All Ocuprime ingredients have antioxidant or anti-inflammatory properties. This also helps in functioning between the eyes and the rest of the brain. Ocuprime is a dietary supplement that also improves vision that helps treat various eye diseases. It is enriched with vitamins, minerals and herbs that increase the effectiveness of your vision without surgery. Helps prevent eye health-related problems. We Occupy help in the treatment of eye-related diseases and also reduces the risks of other health problems such as age-related macular degeneration, oxidative damage, cataract, blindness, conjunctivitis, among others.
The product is safe, as it was manufactured in rigid facilities, certified by GMP, to transmit security to its users. Any customer may request a full refund if they are not satisfied with the results of the Ocuprime product within 60 days of purchasing the product. The customer just need to send an email or call the customer support team at the toll-free number and return all the bottles purchased. The customer will be reimbursed for the full amount, excluding shipping and handling charges, within 48 hours of receiving the Ocuprime bottles by his team. And of course, you are only entitled to this product if you buy directly from the official website. It is important to remember that there are many dishonest people who pretend to be the producer, to defraud, so be careful with parallel sites. So to help, I will leave in the description and in the first fixed comment the link to the official website you for access if you want.
You will have 3 purchase options: buy 1, 3 or 6 bottles, remembering that each bottle is a 1-month supply. Buying supply for 1 month, you pay $69 per bottle, plus shipping. Buying supplies for 3 months, you pay $59 per bottle with free US shipping. And buying supplies for 6 months, you pay $49 per bottle with free US shipping too.
Now, as usual, let's re-examine everything we've seen to have a general conclusion. We have seen that Ocuprime is a safe supplement, as it was manufactured in the USA in rigid and serious facilities, delivering various solutions to eye problems. The manufacturer offers a 60-day guarantee for users who want to get their money back, in case of not getting results. All this, included in affordable prices, reaching up to $49 per bottle, with free shipping to the United States. Therefore, the supplement Ocuprime receives our seal. Compensates.
If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, which tomorrow we will return with more. Goodbye.